Hello students, welcome to my class again. Today we will discuss configuration of optical isomers. Okay, configuration of optical isomers. For optical isomers, we can have two types of configurations, relative and absolute. Okay, first come to relative configuration. Relative configuration of optical isomers. Okay, you see, while writing relative configuration of optical isomers, we consider some standard. That standard is glyceraldehyde molecule. For glyceraldehyde, we have two optical isomers. This one and its mirror image. This one. This is dextro, this is levorotatory. Now, this is called D-glyceraldehyde and this is called L-glyceraldehyde. Any other configuration that resembles the structure of or configuration of D-glyceraldehyde is termed as D, capital D. And a configuration which resembles the configuration of L-glyceraldehyde, it is termed L, capital L. Capital D does not necessarily mean dextrorotatory. Similarly, capital L does not necessarily mean levorotatory. So, capital D and capital L, these are two relative configurations of optical isomers. বুজি পাইছা जो এনেকুৱা কিছুমান অপটিকেল আইসোমাৰ যাৰ কনফিগুৰেশন ডি গ্লিসাৰেলডিহাইডৰ লগত মিলে সেইবিলাকক আমি ক্যাপিটেল ডি বুলি কম আৰু যিবিলাক অপটিকেল আইসোমাৰৰ কনফিগুৰেশন এল গ্লিসাৰেলডিহাইডৰ লগত মিলে সেইবিলাকক আমি ক্যাপিটেল এল কনফিগুৰেশন বুলি কম ক্যাপিটেল ডি মানে ডেক্সট্ৰো ৰোটেটৰি নহব পাৰে একেদৰে ক্যাপিটেল এল মানে লেবৰোটেটৰি নহব পাৰে So relative configuration is of little help in understanding optical activity of organic compounds. Therefore, we have to go to absolute configuration. Okay, absolute configuration of optical isomers. To write absolute configuration of optical isomers, you see, a chiral carbon has 4 groups attached to it. Okay, these 4 groups are to be arranged in decreasing order of priority. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1 is the group with highest priority, 4 is the group with lowest priority. Now, assigning priority of a group is done on the basis of Kahn-Ingold Prelog system. This is called CIP system. Okay, so group bilakor kar priority kiman etu ami kenedore assign korim etu Kahn-Ingold Prelog system order ami assign korim etu কোৱা হয় CIP system or OA. See, according to this, priority of an atom increases with increasing atomic number. পৰমাণু ক্ৰমাঙ্ক বাঢ়ি যোৱাৰ লগে লগে পৰমাণু এটাৰ priority-টো increase হয়. Say fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Priority of these groups will increase like this. Iodine is the group with highest priority and fluorine is the group with lowest priority. This is rule number 1. Say for two atoms having the same atomic number, That is for isotopes. For isotopes, atomic numbers are same. In that case, priority will be assigned in terms of atomic mass. For example, say hydrogen, deuterium, tritium. Okay, priority will increase like this. Compared to hydrogen, common hydrogen, deuterium will have higher priority. Then see, sometimes the atom which is directly linked to the carbon, chiral carbon, called the first atom, cannot determine the priority. Okay, consider this. This is the atom which is directly linked to the chiral carbon. It is what? Carbon. In this case also this is carbon. So if this happens, then we have to go to second atom. If first atom is unable to assign the priority of a group, you have to look at the second atom. Here you see there are 3 hydrogens attached with this carbon. Okay, but look at this carbon. We have 2 hydrogens and 1 carbon. So if you examine the second atom, this will have higher priority compared to this, because this carbon has 3 hydrogens. It has 2 hydrogens, 1 carbon. 2 hydrogens. Bhabilu I to cancel will. Second atom yat ki thakil eta hydrogen, yat thakil ki eta carbon. Right? So this will have higher priority. So when first atom cannot decide the priority, we have to look at the second atom. Similarly, if second atom cannot determine the priority, we have to look at the third atom, and so on. Okay. Again, you see, sometimes a situation like this may arise. Okay. This one. First atom carbon, second atom 2 hydrogen, 1 carbon. Here first atom carbon, second atom 1 hydrogen, 1 carbon. But this carbon is connected to this carbon by means of a double bond. So this is actually what? This carbon is attached with 1 hydrogen, and we suppose it is attached with 2 carbons. Actually there is 1 carbon, okay? But that carbon is connected by means of a double bond. Then we'll consider this carbon is connected to 2 carbons. Okay, so compared to this will have higher priorities. Okay, so compared to methyl group will have higher priority. Isopropyl group will have again higher priority. Tertiary butyl group will have again higher priority. Priority of say alkyl groups will increase in this way. Again, say this is ethyl group. Compared to ethyl group, this group will have higher priority, right? Again, this will have again higher priorities. ইথাইলৰ তুলনাত এইটো গ্ৰুপৰ priority বেছি, ইয়াৰ তুলনাত তাৰ priority আকৌ বেছি. So all these are rules rules given in Kahn-Ingold-Prelog process. Okay, so on the basis of these rules, we will now examine how to assign priority of groups. Okay, consider this case. So this is hydrogen, this is methyl, this is say chlorine, and this is suppose bromine. Okay, this is definitely a chiral carbon because it has 4 different groups attached with it. Now among those different groups, first priority will be with bromine and last priority will be with hydrogen. So this is priority 1, this will be priority 2, and this will be priority 3. কেনেকৈ গম পাইছোঁ আমি কেৱল ফাৰ্ষ্ট এটম কেইটাই চাই আছোঁ এতিয়া ইয়াত ফাৰ্ষ্ট এটম ব্ৰমিন তাৰ এটমিক নাম্বাৰ আটাইতকৈ বেছি গোটেইকেইটাৰ ভিতৰত ইয়াত ফাৰ্ষ্ট এটম ক্লৰিন ইয়াত ফাৰ্ষ্ট এটম হাইড্ৰজেন এটমিক নাম্বাৰ আটাইতকৈ কম ইয়াত ফাৰ্ষ্ট এটম কি কাৰ্বন হয়নে তো এনেকৈ আমি কি কৰিম চাৰিটা গ্ৰুপৰ প্ৰায়ৰিটিবিলাক এছাইন কৰিম ফাৰ্ষ্ট কাম সেইটো at first if we are going to say assign absolute configuration of an optical isomer at first we are to assign the priorities of the four groups attached with the chiral carbon then we are to observe the rotational sequence this one 1 2 2 3 1 or pisot 2 2 or pisot 3 এই যেটো rotational sequence এটো আমি observe কৰিম ওকে এটো চোৱাচোন 1 1 or pisot 2 যাব লাগিলে কোন ফালে যাব লাগিব এইফালে 1 or pisot 2 2 or pisot 3 the rotational sequence is what it is anti-clockwise see if this rotational sequence is clockwise and the fourth priority group that is the group with least priority is on vertical line of Fisher projection okay group with the least priority is on vertical line in Fisher projection and the sequence 1 to 2 to 3 is clockwise then the configuration will be R configuration. R comes from rectus means right. So this compound will be a dextro-rotatory compound. But if the rotational sequence is anti-clockwise, the configuration will be S. S comes from sinister. Sinister means left. So in this particular case, the rotational sequence 1, then 2, then 3, it is what? It is anti-clockwise. So the configuration will be S. Configuration will be S. There is another point to remember. If the least priority group is on horizontal line, okay? Say priority 4 group is on horizontal line, then what will happen for this sequence if we have clockwise sequence okay for this 1 to 2 to 3 this rotational sequence if this rotational sequence is clockwise then the configuration will be S. When it will be S? Clockwise sequence of 1 to 2 to 3 but least priority group is on horizontal line in Fisher projection okay and if it is anti-clockwise the configuration will be R. If you remember these 2 points then giving absolute configuration of an optical isomer in Fisher projection will be very easy. Etuta monot rakhiba. Jodi lowest priority group mane group 4 vertical line ot thake tetia ami jitu sequence pam 1 2 3 hetu jodi clockwise hoy tente R configuration anti clockwise hole S configuration anhate jodi least priority group to horizontal line ot thake edal rekha jodi thake tente clockwise sequence or karone S configuration anti clockwise sequence or karone R configuration. Say this example, come to this example, okay? CH3, CHO, HOH. 2-hydroxypropanel, 1, 2, 3, 4, all these 4 groups are different. The group with highest priority is this OH, with lowest priority is this H. So this is the group with highest priority, this is the group with lowest priority. This will be priority 2 and this is priority 3. What is CHO? CHO means this. So first atom carbon, second atom 2 oxygen, 1 hydrogen. But in methyl, first atom carbon, second atom are 3 hydrogen. So compared to methyl, this group will have higher priorities. In this case, the least priority group is on horizontal line in Fisher projection. Okay? So this rule will be followed. Observe the rotational sequence 1, 2, 3. Ekor pisot 2, 2 pisot 3. Rotational sequence to ki palu ami? The rotational sequence is clockwise. If it is clockwise, the configuration will be S. Okay? So in this way, we can assign R or S configuration of an optically active compound, provided we know the CIP process of assigning priorities. Very simple. Some rules are there. On the basis of those rules, we can assign the priorities of different groups. Okay? You know that writing structure of an optically active compound in this way, this is called Fisher projection. But an organic molecule may be represented in wedge and dash representation also. Say this one. This is the actual 3-dimensional depiction of a tetrahedral carbon. Here, this is the central atom, this bond and this bond. These 2 bonds lie on the plane, drawing plane. This is called wedge. Wedge means this bond is in upward direction towards the viewer. This is called dash, means this bond is in downward direction. Okay, opposite from the viewer. Now see, suppose a hydrogen is present here. This is suppose methyl, this is suppose CHO, and this is suppose OH. If you are to denote the absolute configuration of this compound, this structure, how will you proceed? You see, there is a simple way. You are to view the molecule from the direction opposite to the lowest priority group. From the direction opposite to the lowest priority group. Okay? This is the group with lowest priority, 4. Okay? Suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Lowest priority group sari 2. এটুক আমি আমার পুরা অপোজিট সাইডত রাখি পেলাই আমি সিকোয়েন্সটো অবজার্ভ কৰিম একৰ পিছত 2 পিছত 3 এই সিকোয়েন্সটো আমি কেনেকৈ পাইছো that sequence we observe here is clockwise sequence. If this is clockwise, then the configuration will be R. If otherwise anti-clockwise, it will be S. So come to this 1, 2, 3, this is 4. Okay, starting from 1 you go to 2, then go to 3, again come to 1 by placing the 4th priority group at the opposite direction. What is the rotation? 1, then 2, then 3. The rotation is clockwise rotation, so this configuration is R. Okay, say this one. In this case, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is priority 4. You have to view the molecule from the side opposite to the lowest priority group. Ephalo pura ami molecule to sum. This is 1, then go to 2, then go to 3. What is the rotation? This is the rotation. The rotation is anti-clockwise, okay? So this is S configuration. S configuration. So this model is called steering wheel model. By using the steering wheel model, we can write the absolute configuration of an optical isomer which is depicted in wedge and dash representation. Okay. Now let us perform a few practice. Consider lactic acid. This is lactic acid, okay? This is priority 1, this is 2, this is 3, and hydrogen has priority 4. So, starting from 1, then 2, then 3, you have to observe the rotational sequence. The sequence is what? Clockwise. But since the lowest priority group lies on horizontal line, therefore this configuration will be S. বুজি পাইছা 1 এর পিছত 2 2 এর পিছত 3 যেটো রোটেশনাল সিকোয়েন্স হল এটো আমার ক্লকওয়াইজ সিকোয়েন্স কিন্তু যেহেতু লোয়েস্ট প্রায়োরিটি গ্রুপ 2 হরাইজন্টাল লাইনত আছে সেইকাৰণে এটো এস কনফিগুরেশন হ'ব ইয়াৰ মিরর ইমেজ টু কেনেকুৱা the mirror image of this will be this one right? Means these are the two enantiomers of lactic acid. This is priority 1, this is 2, this is 3, hydrogen 4. See 1, 2, 3. Rotational sequence is anti-clockwise. Lowest priority group on horizontal line. So this is R. This is R. So for an enantiomeric pair, if one of the two enantiomer is R configuration, the other must be S. Okay. Consider this. CH3, CH2, CH3, HCl, 2-chlorobutane. Mirror image of this compound is this. This is priority 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4. 1, 2, 3 rotational sequence is clockwise. Okay. 1, then 2, then 3 rotational sequence is clockwise. So the configuration will be S. Configuration will be S. Why S? Because lowest priority lies on horizontal line. If this is S, this will be R. Okay. Say 2-bromobutane. It is denoted in wedge and dash representation. Okay. Look, bromine has priority 1, ethyl 2, methyl 3, hydrogen 4. So keeping hydrogen away from you, you are to observe the rotational sequence 1, 2, 3. What is the sequence? It is clockwise. So this configuration is R. Okay, this configuration is R. So in this way we can assign absolute configuration of optical isomers. Now let us discuss one important point. It is racemic mixture. What is racemic mixture? Equimolar mixture of two enantiomers of an optically active compound is called racemic mixture. Equimolar mixture of two enantiomers of an optically active compound is called racemic mixture. A racemic mixture is optically inactive. Okay. কোনো এটা আলো সক্রিয় যৌগৰ দুটা ইনানচিয়মাৰৰ যদি সমমোলাৰ মিশ্ৰ এটা আমি লওঁ সেই মিশ্ৰটোক আমি কি বুলি কম ৰেচিমিক মিক্সচাৰ বুলি কম ৰেচিমিক মিশ্ৰ এটা আলো অসক্ৰিয় ইট মিন্স the net optical rotation of a racemic mixture is always zero. Why it is zero? Because rotation caused by one enantiomer will be exactly cancelled out by the opposite rotation of the other enantiomer. দুটা enantiomer এটাই যদি প্লাস rotation কৰে আনটোই কি কৰিব মাইনাস কৰিব এটা যিমানটা enantiomer প্লাস rotation আছিল ঠিক সিমানটা enantiomer মাইনাস rotation আছে এর রিজাল্টেন্ট টু কি হ'ব রিজাল্টেন্ট টু 0 হ'ব so a racemic mixture is optically inactive. This is because of external compensation. This is because of external compensation. A meso compound is also optically inactive, but it is because of internal compensation. In case of meso compound, there was a plane of symmetry, internal plane of symmetry. With respect to that plane of symmetry, rotation caused by one part of the molecule is nullified by the opposite rotation of the other part. So this is what is called internal compensation. But in case of racemic mixture, the optical inactivity is because of external compensation. Okay. A racemic mixture is usually denoted by Bl or plus minus. A racemic mixture is usually denoted by Bl or plus minus. Okay. Say plus minus lactic acid. Plus minus lactic acid. What does it mean? It means a racemic mixture of lactic acid. Or DL lactic acid. It means racemic mixture of lactic acid. I think all of you have understood this. Okay. তোমালোকে সবে বুজি পাইছা নিশ্চয় আৰু অলপ বেছিকৈ ঘৰত এইবিলাক প্ৰেক্টিছ কৰিবা। Okay. Thank you.